The courtroom fills with lawyers, caseworkers, and foster parents stepping in. Right away, you can feel this case is about to take a serious turn.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can.
Okay, sorry about that, everybody. Robert Galvin, along with Denise Hyde, and we represent the intervening foster parents who are present, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Thank y'all. All right, then. Let's see. Mr. Ryan, are you going to be the one giving us the update this morning?
Yes, ma'am. There hasn't been anything new or that's changed.
Hang on real quick. Raise your right hand for me.
Judge, do we want to take up the intervention first?
Yes, we certainly can. So let me go ahead and swear him in. Mr. Ryan, you promised to tell us the truth today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. All right. So we let me just getting to my notes. Hang on. All right. So foster parents in the case have filed their intervention in the case. They've alleged standing under 102.003A11 and 102.004B. Let's take that up. Who's going to argue that? Mr. Gallen or Ms. Hyde?
Or I guess I will, Judge. And if I may proceed?
Yes. Do you have any witnesses you're going to call?
Yes, I will call Mr. Varela.
All right. Mr. Guevara, can you unmute for me? Thank you. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right. Very good. All right, sir, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Varela, can you please just tell the court how you're involved in the case?
Diego and I are both foster parents for Jace and Robert Lara, and they arrived here November 19th, 2024.
Let me back you up. So they were placed in your home. When was that?
November 19th, 2024.
And have they remained in your home since that date?
Correct.
And so that's been more than a year.
Yes.
And towards the latter part of 2025, was there a visit in the Austin area with the respondent mother?
Correct.
And at some point, have you built up a relationship with Ms. Godina?
Yes, we speak often.
Okay. And at some point, did she disclose to you that she had relapsed and was using substances again?
Yes.
Do you recall roughly when that was? When she told you?
That was Wednesday before Thanksgiving. When I was driving her from the Airbnb where they were staying, where she was staying with the kids, to a drug test.
Okay. Did she tell you what substance she had been using?
No.
Okay. Thank you. I'll pass the witness.
All right, Ms. Powell?
I have no questions, Judge, and we have no objection to the intervention.
All right, thank you. All right, Ms. Groff?
Your Honor, I have no questions for the witness. My client does object to the intervention after a discussion that we had regarding the intervention and the petition. I wanted to put that on the record that she does object. She wants to be able to continue doing her services so she can have reunification.
All right, any legal basis for the objection to the intervention? I mean, it's one thing that she doesn't like it. I get that. It doesn't prevent her from continuing to work services until we reach a final hearing, but is there any legal objection to the intervention under the alleged statutes?
Your Honor, no, she doesn't have any legal basis for her objection. She just doesn't like it. Thank you.
Okay. All right, Mr. Hill, any questions?
No, ma'am, and my client has no legal objection to the intervention either.
Okay. All right, and then Ms. Zavala.
Your Honor, I have no questions and I have no objection to the intervention.
All right, then, there having been no motion to strike filed, alleging any basis for, objection to the foster parents intervention, I'm going to grant leave to intervene in the case to, Diego, Martinez and Javier Guevara. And they will, from this point forward, be parties to the case.
Thank you, Judge. I'll prepare an order.
All right, very good. Okay, then we, my understanding is that everybody agreed that because of this issue, we wanted to push out the final at this time. And so we're going to just go ahead and conduct a review at this time. So our dismissal date in the case is May 2nd of 2026. Just as a reminder to everybody, and I'll announce our final when we conclude today. So, Mr. Ryan, then I'm going to go ahead and allow you just to give us an update, and then I'll let council ask any questions that they may have.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. There has not been an update since the court report was filed. The only update that I have is for the mother, and she is now working at Wendy's currently.
All right, no other changes since the court report then.
Oh, ma'am.
And Judge, for the court's information, there are mediation dates currently being circulated, so we are working on getting this scheduled for mediation.
All right, very good.
Ms. Powell, I have not received any emails regarding mediation dates. So if you could forward that to me, I haven't seen any of that. So I would really appreciate that. Thanks.
Okay, I'll let her double check, make sure she's got you in that thread or got a good, make sure we've got a good email in that thread.
Meredith, you did respond with
Pardon me?
dates that would, you did respond with dates that would not work for you.
Oh, I think I was probably thinking of another case. So I'll go back and look through my emails and see what I can find. I'll go back and look at my responses. That might make it a little simpler. Having had this horrible flu for the last, I don't know, since New Year's Eve at least, I've been having a hard time getting all caught up and making sure nothing fell through the cracks. So I apologize.
We learn the mother lost her job, then a shocking pregnancy twist appears. Just as fast, it turns into uncertainty, adding more chaos to.
Okay, Mr. Ryan, before we start passing around to everybody, I did want to just confirm, did I read correctly that Ms. Godina is expecting?
Yes, ma'am. She had told me that end of December. But she also did state recently that she did miscarry. So I don't believe that she is pregnant anymore based off what she told me. I don't have any proof to verify that though, unfortunately.
Okay, just the information she's given you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay. All right, I'll just then, does anybody have any questions for Mr. Ryan? Okay, don't see anybody's got any questions. All right then, Ms. Powell, anything further for Mr. Ryan?
Just one follow-up. Sean, are you asking that the court order mother to submit to a hair follicle drug screen today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just the request for a hair follicle, Judge. Are you asking for hair follicle and UA or just hair follicle?
Hair follicle UA is good. Both of them.
Both?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's the only request, Judge.
Okay, Ms. Godina, do you have transportation to get there today by 4 o'clock?
Yes, I do.
Okay, all right. All right then, okay, just anybody else that may raise something, anybody else have any questions for Mr. Ryan? Okay then, all right, Ms. Groff, anything to present today?
I did want to make sure the court was aware that even though my client has done all the other services, she continues to do the counseling. And she said that as of yesterday, she'd done 20 counseling sessions with Ms. Larson. So I want to make sure the court was aware of that.
Okay, I think that's a good thing, Ms. Godina. I mean, it just doesn't hurt to have that added support. So I hope you will continue with it. Has the department requested a new OSAR or anything like that? Okay, Mr. Ryan?
Yes, ma'am. The OSAR was sent in, and she has a appointment scheduled on January 26th with Linda Dudley at TPC.
So when did you say the OSAR?
Yes, ma'am. That's the OSAR. That's when she has her reevaluation date. That's when it's scheduled.
Okay,
Mhm.
all right, very good. Okay, then, Mr. Hill, anything today?
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right, and on behalf of the interveners, Mr. Galvin,
No, we have nothing, Judge. Thank you.
very good. Okay. Ms. Zavala.
Your Honor, the boys are doing great with the interveners. They are very good at providing lots of communication. But I am concerned that the report shows that mom is still missing a lot of opportunities to visit. But I do recommend that placement continue. The boys are thriving there, and I've got no concerns.
All right, I appreciate it. Okay, then for today, I'm going to continue the department as temporary managing conservator, and I'm going to continue placement with interveners. I would find that there would be a continuing danger to return the children home to the mother at this time in light of the relapse. Other than that, mom has been in compliance, so I'm going to find that she's remains in compliance. We'll continue to work with her. I am going to order her to go drug screen as requested, so she will need to go do a hair and a UA today before 4 p.m. With respect to Mr. Lara, I would find there would be a continuing danger, obviously, to return the child to him at this time, and that he is not in compliance with his service plan. I don't think we've gotten any confirmed services that he's attempted to do, although he is incarcerated, but I don't think we've received anything that he's attempted to do. Is that correct, Mr. Ryan? I don't want to misstate.
That is correct. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. All right. I will see everybody back for our trial, which has now been scheduled for April 28th of 2026. That's on a 9 o'clock docket. Council, as I said, our dismissal date is May 2nd. So, we're pushing it really close. And just so everybody understands, that is the drop dead date. So I wish everybody luck in mediation. Hope that will be fruitful. If there is an issue with getting an agreed mediation date, someone reach out and let me know. Because if I've just got to pick a date and set it, then I will. But hopefully y'all can come to an agreed upon date. Are y'all going to try to do this by Zoom?
I believe so, Judge.
Have we assigned a mediator already? Have we appointed?
You appointed, it looks like Landon.
Okay,
And Your Honor, we are available to come in person for the mediation, the interveners.
okay. So if that makes a difference or it could be more effective, then just everybody know that's out there on the table. Mr. Lambert, who's been appointed to mediate, I have found to be extremely flexible with his schedule. So hopefully we can find a good time for everybody. All right, then. I appreciate everybody logging in, and Ms. Godina, I think you acutely know what you need to do. So, I wish you continued luck and success in trying to reach this goal, but we're running out of time. So, anyway, I hope that y'all can come to some resolution. It's typically better than what you get at the courthouse. So, okay. Thank y'all very much, and I'll see you back April 28th.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Thank y'all.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
The judge orders immediate drug testing while praising foster care progress. The kids are thriving, while mom's future hangs in the balance. The judge delivers a strong warning that time is running out fast. Children stay placed safely as trial dates move closer. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.